आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, the question is write down the truth table for the compound statements. So they have given us a compound statement which is negation of P and Q or negation of P and negation of Q. So first of all we have to give the truth tables of the basic parameters which are P and Q. So the truth table for P and Q will plot as T, T, F, F. For Q will plot it as T, F, T, F, which is nothing but true, false, and for P it is true, true, false, false. Now in the question, as you can see, they have asked us to get the negation of P as well as negation of Q. So again in the two columns we'll give the truth table of negation of P and negation of Q. So negation of P will be totally opposite of what we have put in P. So it will be F, F, T and T. And negation of Q will be F, T, F, T. Okay, that's very easy part. Simply we just got the columns for P, Q and negation of P and negation of Q. So our first condition is, or our first compound statement is negation of P or Q. So we have to do a OR operation on this will be your first and this will be your second. So you are going to do a OR operation on negation of P and Q. So F or T, F or T. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll give you a hint or I'll give you a strategy to remember the OR and AND. In OR, all the whatever answers you get are usually, suppose it's P, Q, P, Q. You have two, let's say P and Q. So this will be T, T, F, F, T, F, T, F. So what is going to happen with this? P or Q. When you do P or Q for this, T and T becomes T, T and F also becomes T, F and T also becomes T. Only the last condition F and F gives you F. But on the contrary, the on and one gives F, F. No, the first condition is what? It is true, true. So for the first true, true condition, it for only the for true condition it gives you true, and for rest of the condition it gives you false. That means in the OR condition you get true for all the values except FF, and in AND condition you get only true value for 2TT and for rest you get F. So considering this, we can quickly do this. Here we have to do the OR operator. So for OR we know that F is only possible when both the conditions are F. So let's check where it is. Yeah, the second one will be only F. Rest all the conditions will be T. Clear? Now let's go for the next compound statement, which is negation of P and negation of Q. This is a AND operator. So in the AND operator, what is going to happen? We are going to give the negation of P and negation of Q. So we know that now in this condition, negation of P will be your first and negation of Q will be second. So you are going to do a AND operation of negation of P and negation of Q. In this case, we know that the condition is only true when both the conditions are true. So this will be true and rest all the conditions will be false. At last, we have to give negation of P or Q and negation of P and negation of Q. That means we are going to do a AND operation on these two things. So this will be your 1, this will be your 2. Again, the AND condition is when both the conditions are true, only you get true. So this will be true and rest all will be false. So this is your final answer. where you get FFFT. So this is the answer for the truth table of the above compound statement. I hope friends you have understood the solution. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।